Okey ya, yang ni whiteboard yang asal ya. Okay, whiteboard asal, the original one. Okay, the original one got sticker, everything. Okay, this one blinking light. Okay, okay, this one I buy from Shopee. Okay, I buy whiteboard from Shopee, not open yet. I testing the original board first. Okay, this one just arrived, just arrived. Okay, I put here first. Okay, this one the original one. Okay, I on TV ya. I off first. Okay, I on TV. Okay, got display. Okay, got HDMI but not the picture not nice. Okay, got picture but not nice. Okay, not nice, but got display. Okay, now I try to put your board. Okay, I off first. I off. I hope this one clear. Okay, this one your board. Your board, I open first this one. Okay, open. Packing nice. From China over here. Okay, packing no problem. Packing nice. Got extra foam. Okay, packing nice. Got your sticker. Okay, got your sticker, warranty here. Okay, original. Okay. Okay, this one your board, look like similar, but your one is capacitor green. My one is a blue one, Okay, I put down first. Take out the power supply. Take out this one LVDS. Power. Okay, we open all the screw, the ground screw. Okay, all screw open. I twist. Okay, this one is a original one, capacitor blue color. Okay, capacitor blue color. Now I use your whiteboard, green color. Okay, I put all the screw using a screwdriver only. Okay, now 3 screw. Already done fixings. Okay, we try look one by one. Got 2 screw, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Altogether 9 screw. We put the LVDS. Okay, LVDS just service. Okay, power from main board, YZ board. Okay, nice, all done. Fishing, last QC check. Okay, done. Put, okay, power cable. Now I turn it on. Okay, turn it on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, done on. Okay, got the green light blinking. Okay, turn on. Turn on. One more time. Cannot on. Okay, no picture. No picture. Your Yboard is totally bad. Cannot on. I unplug first. Okay, I plug back. Okay, got green light. Green light also not stable. No picture. Okay, no picture. I need to return back. Return back to you. I return back to you. No picture at all. My board can. Got picture, but yours is no picture at all. Thank you very much. I open back.